going on, Beowulf Nation? I'm Beowulf, back at it with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Existing subscribers, hit the bell notification. You get notified as soon as a video is uploaded on my channel. Alright, if you haven't seen my last video, the last two videos, did some mods to the SXR 1500 Kawasaki stand-up. Did the Jettrim Mat Tray, did a whole install. It's a lot of work doing that, but I got it on. Looks sharp as can be. And then I installed the Texas Watercross ride plate. And then in this video is installing Watercross of Texas intake grate. Get this tape off. And it's nice. They come with new bolts and stuff, which is really cool. It looks exactly the same as the OEM ones. So I'm gonna go tomorrow to go take a riding. So I'm basically want to get this strapped in. Got to use the blue Loctite. Got to crawl underneath. I actually, in my last video when I installed this, I pulled the ski way back to get to the ride plate. Position it kind of goofy in my garage. My driveway slopes down, so I do not want the thing to roll. It's nearly there to roll away. I got a little wheel chock there in the front, so it's not going there. Nice thing is this thing isn't. It's not heavy. It's not light. It's in between, so it's easy to pull it back. Just clearing that front part right up there. So gonna roll down there, install this intake grate. Later in the video, I'll have a little clip of riding it to see what it improves. So I hope by doing the Jettrim Mat Tray, Watercross of Texas ride plate, and the Watercross of Texas intake grate, it's gonna really improve this. I'm gonna be doing, not anytime soon, but plan on modding and getting different sponsons. I don't know if I'm gonna get Watercross of Texas ones. I'm not sure. When I've looked, people are saying really great stuff about their intake grate and the ride plate. There was like tons of positive feedback. I don't think there was one negative feedback. And actually you could see too, see how tiny the stock ride plate is to that one. So what I'll do is first roll down there, before immediately installing this, let's have a side-by-side comparison of these intake grates. It's pretty important to do. So let me go crawling down there and unhook it out. Wow, this is crazy. If you obviously can tell, this is the stock the stock intake grate. And here's the Watercross of Texas. Yeah, that's pretty wild how different in size they are. The one thing that's kind of confusing is when I bought it. So these are the bolts that were in there. Man, I'm a little confused on the hardware sense. So this is. There wasn't any instructions when you got these. So these are the stock bolts. And then these are the bolts they sent. I don't really think these ones will work. They're too tiny. They won't fit in there. I'm not sure. They might have made a mistake of what bolts they sent me. Because these look exactly like what were for the ride plate. Obviously, I'm not going to use these because I don't know, they'll just slip right out. So I'm gonna reuse the stock bolts on it and do the blue Loctite, and let's see how this thing all fits up. But oh my gosh, I'm telling you, this isn't even a comparison of the two. I mean, water's gonna flow a lot better in there. The one thing you sacrifice when you get rid of the stock intake grate you have to think about is there's the bar here that stops debris getting in, and when it's wide open like that, bigger pieces of something can get shot up into your prop. That seems to take into effect. I'm realizing what I'm putting myself into with doing this, but if it helps the ski handle better, usually I'm trying to avoid hitting into stuff in the water anyways, but this will definitely help not having cavitation with diverting, this just kind of pushes the water in a certain way. Definitely, it's worth doing, because I'll tell you, this is just a basic intake grate. So I'm going to crawl underneath there and install this all up, but this basically gives you guys a huge comparison. I know recently I installed the Works Racing intake grate on my RXP-X 300, and that was night and day difference, and it really improved the ski with doing that. It made it like world of a difference. And I don't know where I have basically the old RXP-X intake grate to show as a comparison, but if you've seen that video, you obviously seen it. So yeah, so I'm stoked. I'm taking this thing out tomorrow, and it's gonna be a whole different machine. This is gonna be a total difference. You got the ride plate, intake grate. So I'm gonna get down there and get this thing all installed up. All right, so you get to see what it all looks like underneath. And man, so I use the factory bolts, not the ones they sent. I think they sent the wrong ones. So you can see water comes up through here, through here, through here. So definitely it's gonna be a monster machine. It's all in. Tighten them, and also the thing too is you want to recheck these after riding it to make sure that none of this needs to be tightened down anymore. It's worth doing. Did 2 separate videos, pulling out all the OEM stuff. Roll the clip. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button. Existing subscribers, hit the bell notification. Check out some of my SXR 1500 merch. They'll be on I'mBeowulf.com. I got hats, tank tops, t-shirts. Make sure to check that out. Also, too, I'm an Amazon store. Got a bunch of different stuff in there. Make sure to check it out because it's jet ski related stuff, survival gear, everything. Amazon.com/shop/I'mBeowulf. Be driven to win. Remember, the same for 2020. With everything going on with this coronavirus, never give up, never surrender. Be driven to win. Remember, every day is Earth Day. I'm Beowulf. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, Beowulf Nation.